Welcome to CNP Math.
Hello there and welcome back to another edition of CNP Math. I'm your host today, Mr. C. Let's get right to it. Today we got lesson 11.2. Our learning target is students will be able to find the median of a given set of numbers or data. Okay, so let's dive right in. The median is the middle of a sorted list of numbers. The middle number of a sorted list of numbers. So, in this set of numbers or set of data, all of our numbers are already in order from least to greatest. That is the first step of finding the median of a set of numbers. I just did that on purpose just so that we can cut to the chase. The next thing you'll notice is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total numbers. It's an odd amount of numbers, which means we will get one number, okay? Once we figure out what the middle number is, it's just that one number, and that's our final answer. So, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This list is already least to greatest, so I can just start by crossing off the lowest number, then I cross off the biggest number, then I cross off the next lowest number, then I cross off the next biggest number, the next lowest number, and the next biggest number, and we are left with 4 as our median. 4 is the middle number of that set of data, or set of numbers. Next list, we have 8, 6, 2, 12, and 10. I can just go ahead and start by crossing off this. Oh, did somebody catch it? That's right. We need to list that set of numbers from least to greatest first. That is what we need to do. It is not least to greatest, so that is what we're going to do right away here, okay? I'll just do it right below here. The lowest number is 2. So I'm going to write 2. The next lowest number is 6. Erase that. Then we have 8, 10, and 12. Go ahead and erase those numbers here. There's my new list of numbers. It's the same list, but they are now in order from least to greatest. 2, 6, 8, 10, and 12. How many numbers are there total in that list? If you said 5, you are correct. 5 is an odd number. So after we figure out what the middle number is, the median, we don't have to do anything else. 2 is our lowest number, 12 is our biggest number, 6 is our next lowest number, 10 is our next greatest number, and the median, the middle number, is 8. When there's an odd amount of numbers in the list, that makes things kind of easy. We just go lowest to greatest and we find that middle number. Here we have 12, 6, 4, and 2. How many numbers are there total in this set of data? 4. That is even. So that means there's going to be another step once we get to the end of this problem, which is what we'll go through, okay? Does anybody remember what that first step is in finding the median? If you said, list the numbers least to greatest, you are correct. Nice job. So, of course, our lowest number is 2. Our next lowest is 4. And then we have 6. And then 12 is the greatest number in that set. So I'm just going to erase these. 2, 4, 6, and 12. They are in order from least to greatest. Now I can just go through the process of crossing off the lowest, crossing off the biggest, crossing off the next lowest, crossing off the next biggest, and wait a second. What do we do now? If you guessed, figure out the middle of 4 and 6, you are correct. a lot of us might just know that automatically is 5, right? 5 is 1 away from 4, and 5 is 1 away from 6. So 5 would be our median of that group of numbers. Okay, since we have the even amount, we cross off, and we have to figure out what that middle number is between the two in the middle. Okay, if you didn't know it automatically, what you could do is you could add up those two numbers. 4 plus 6, you get 10. And then you take 10 divided by 2, because we have two numbers here. 10 divided by 2, you guessed it, 5. 5 is our median there. That wraps up our lesson on median 11.2. You are now able to find the median of a given set of numbers from data. Thanks for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.